Hello. To fix iPhone notifications on your Xiaomi Smart Band 9 active, first of all you have to go into your Mi Fitness application on your iPhone, then go into Device right here and go into Notifications and Calls. Then go into App Notifications and be sure that this option is allowed. So you simply have to turn it on, and then right here, as you have turned it on and your notifications still are not receiving on the band, you have to be sure to turn on the particular applications which are supposed to send notifications to your band. So be sure to allow, for example, this phone application, mails, I don't know, Skype for example, Telegram and stuff. So you have to enable it. And in case your band is still not receiving any notifications, you have to turn off this option. I recommend to turn off this option, notify only when worn, because in case if you have tattoo on your hand, and in case if you have tattoo on your hand, the band will not detect your hand, actually your skin. So you have to turn off this option. It's very common problem that people with tattoos does have. And so basically that's it. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.